Good day, students. Mrs. Helbling here. This is a video tutorial of how to do our value activity slides. So we are going to start with this digital dodecahedron here. You can see there's a little example here. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to fill in these shapes to make them look, to make it overall look three-dimensional using value, right? And value is light to darks. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this arrow down here and we're going to move this area to show where the source of light is coming from. So you can pick wherever you'd like. You can pick here, 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 anywhere. So I'm going to do right here. And I'm going to click this circle to rotate it because I'm going to say my light source is coming from this direction. So I have this dodecahedron. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shapes that are making this up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the shape that's closest, and I'm going to make that one the lightest because whatever side is closest to the light is going to be the lightest, just like here. I'm going to come over here to the fill bucket, and you can, as you can see here, we've got a value scale on the top here from white to black, but then we also have several value scales down here from light to dark. So you can pick to do a grayscale, or you can pick any of these. This is going to be monochromatic, right, which means one color. So you can pick this top one, or you can pick any of these, but you want to stay in your value scale. So let's go with green. So I'm going to pick the lightest green, remember, because this is closest to my light source. Then I think I'm going to come to the farthest away area. I'm going to click that shape. I'm going to click the fill bucket, and I'm going to make that the darkest green. I'm going to fill these in and gradiate them, meaning create a value scale this way to make this look three-dimensional. So I'm going to go here and make it go a little bit lighter than the darkest green. I'm going to do that here as well. I'm going to go here, make it a little bit lighter. And I'm just going to lighten it up as I go along, as I get closer to my light source. You can go the other direction too. You can go from light to dark or dark to light. Go here and here. So now I have my lightest closest to the light source and my darkest farthest away. And if you squint, it looks a lot more three-dimensional than it did. Another kind of bonus option, you might notice that when we have fill, we have solids, but we also have gradients. And you can click custom and play with that. But I'm not going to require that by any means, but it could be something fun to play with to make this look even more three-dimensional. Okay, so that's for that slide. For this slide, you are going to sort these images to their contrast level. So, and this kind of gives you a hint. We went over this, right? So high contrast means high difference of lights and darks. Low contrast means color levels are very close together, and medium means kind of in between. And that's it. You're going to go back to Canvas and click submit, and then you will have this assignment complete. Great job, everybody. Can't wait to see your work.